Hi everyone, Andrew here, and in this video I want to show you how you can check if a website is safe or not. Every day you open new websites, but how do you know which ones are actually safe? You don't need antivirus pop-ups or tech jargon, just 5 quick checks you can do. These are some of the checks I use before entering any password, email or payment info. You'll learn to spot safe sites instantly, no extensions, no downloads, just awareness. So step number 1, you want to check the URLs. Start with the address bar. It's the fastest giveaway. Real sites use simple domains that match the brand, like paypal.com. They wouldn't be using something like paypal-login.net and using a 1 instead of an L, or paypal.security-check.co. Just look for small tricks, swapped letters, extra words or dots in strange places. If it looks like the brand has spelled its own name wrong, then it's not the brand. Step number 2, you want to look for HTTPS, but you don't want to stop there either. It just means that if there's HTTPS, it means that the connection is encrypted, not that the site itself is trustworthy. Scam sites use HTTPS too, so it's, think of it as a necessary, not guaranteed. A good sign would be seeing HTTPS with the padlock icon and the correct domain. If it's showing a padlock and a weird URL, then that wouldn't be enough. And step number 3, trust the design. This one's surprisingly reliable. Legit websites look like someone cared. If it's full of typos, missing logos, or strange buttons that open new tabs, just leave. If it looks like it was built in 2005 on a lunch break, that's your cue to close it. As you can see in this one, there's too much to go through with this, so you would get straight out of it. Step number 4, you also want to look for real contact info. So I'm over at my website, safeweblife.com, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see that there are some links that are pointing to a contact page, privacy policy, there's an affiliate disclosure, there's terms and conditions. Then I have a little about me section here. If all you see is a random Gmail address or nothing at all, then that would be a red flag. Step number 5, you just want to test before you trust. If you're unsure, you can check any website's reputation instantly. Apart from the tips that I have given, you could use virustotal.com, and you can also check with Google Safe Browsing to see if it's flagged. So, for example, if you go to virustotal.com, I will leave a link in the description to both of these. So go to virustotal.com, click on URL, and you can enter your URL. I'll use my website, safeweblife.com, and I'll click search. And as you can see, no security vendors flagged this URL as malicious. Now, if we go back, and we can go back by clicking the logo in the top left hand corner and then select URL. If we put, for example, paypal-login.net and click search, you can see that security vendors flagged this URL as malicious. So as far as Bitdefender is concerned, it's phishing. So if you see a problem here, then I would be definitely avoiding the site. Also, if you go to Google Safe Browsing, and if I enter my website's name and hit enter or search, no unsafe content found. And if there's any issues, it will bring them up here also. So that's really it. What we've done here is check if the URLs look okay, if HTTPS is present, if the page looks legit, contact info exists, and verified by VirusTotal. If you do these 5 quick checks, you'll avoid 99% of sketchy sites with no plugins, no panic. If this made your web life a little safer, please hit like and subscribe. I make privacy simple, one setting at a time. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.